wala. Lang,
Saan pa magandang
tubig lang.
ikain yan? Ano? Dito. Saan magandang ikain yan?
Nalpasan natin ko malayo, babalik pa tayo. Doon sa may kambingan lang, Coronation.
Ganon. Pero hindi na natin dadaanan pabalik.
Babalik mo dadaan, pauwi.
Kailangan kumain na tayo, di ba?
Ito na ang kalabasa ngayon, malabo ang tubig. Hindi pwedeng mag-swimming.
Hindi maalam nila, big na pupunta tayo.
Alam.
Ba? Ha?
Alam, minag-message si... Hindi na ba dagaling yung...
Kaya nga pupunta dun eh. Sila big nandun naman eh. Yun lang kasi hindi nakapunta dahil hindi maiwan yung mga alagang kapatid. Susan, I'll take your picture. I think that background is good.
I already took some pictures.
Yeah, but then I want to take yours. Did you take my picture?
Yes?
Let me see. Edit. Kunay, alika pa kaya kita.
You don't edit
Wala pa
anything.
tayong kuha.
Teka.
Naitatawid yung bitch yung sakyan. Pagka yung...
How can you?
There's one.
Oh, mababaw lang
There's
yan.
one. That's you and I only got part of it.
Mababaw lang yan.
Halika kunay kita.
Kung lang
Susan,
yung
look at
agos
kunay.
niya.
We're
Yan.
not up close.
Yan. Video.
Oh my God, no video.
No video. Yeah, I did enough of that.
Susan,
It's a
That is
beautiful
a nice
day.
background.
It's a beautiful day.
let me see the video. What you got there? How beautiful. The one with you. The picture.
The picture I
Let me
did?
see. Yeah.